Backflip by Zack Wright, and a huge backflip there, one-handed by Darin Anderson. Both riders trading sides, and that's Darin Anderson in the red, moving over to the left-hand side. Zack Wright in yellow, staying over to the right. One minute remains. 1 minute remains. Who's it going to be, ladies and gentlemen? Who do you guys think? Is it going to be Zack? Is it going to be Darin? All right. Well, once again, as soon as we're done, we're going to ask you guys one more time so our judges can actually take a listen to you. It's good pony riding music. I wish I had a pony. I got some horsepower, though. There we go. Look at that. Huge one-handed backflip again by Zack Wright over there on the right-hand side. Again, the time is winding down here in the K&S Big Air Showdown. Yeah, course marshal's getting some mad air on the left, wishing he was in this. 10 seconds left on the clock, folks. And I believe, yeah, both of those guys, they look about spent right now. I believe that's Zack Wright coming in the yellow. Red flag is up.